Hi friends, today I am going to tell about how to open a file using with statement. First of all, I will show you the content of the file that we are going to open, and the name of the file is file.txt. Okay, then go to Python terminal. First I will show you how to open a file without with statement. Okay, it is simple. Let's see. File object equal open file name file.txt. Here we want to put the mode. I will put read mode. Okay, then I am going to read the content from the file. Data equal file object dot read, then print that variable data. Here you can see the entire content from the file. Once you open a file, then it is important to close that file. Okay, then file object dot close. With statement we can open a file using in this way we can open a file, and we can do any operations to that file, etc. That is reading, writing, appending, etc. And at last it is important to close that file. Okay, next I will show you how to open a file using with statement. With open file name file.txt read mode as file object. Okay, using with, this is the with statement syntax. Here open the file, and FO is the file object. It is same as here. Okay, then similarly read the data equal file object dot read, then print data. Okay, here you can see the same output. Did you notice anything? Here we did not close that file. Okay, when we open a file using with statement, we did not have to write file object dot close statement. Okay, this will automatically called when we exit from with statement. Okay, in this way we can open a file using with statement, and we can do any operations like reading, write, append, etc. Thank you.